Hello, friends. Hello. Good morning and good evening, everyone. Hey, Mayank. Hello. How are you? So let's go to the daily. On daily, we are into the range. Okay, so we have took a range high buy side liquidity, and we have inverse FEG. I will extend this to here daily. I will lock this thing. Now we do have a failure swings at a downside. If you check this, this is all the failure swings, right? I need to have a strong displacement on 15-minute and 1 hour. Then only I will think, okay, we can go for this loss in futures. Yeah. So we are into the premium. This is the premium and discount. Okay. This is the premium and discount range right now. Yeah. And this is the main dealing range. I will copy this thing. This is the main dealing range. And we do have a SMT with ES. If you check, the ES has took this high and NAS has not taken it. So we do have a SMT. So in this dealing range, I'm looking for this failure swings. This one, I will like to mark this one because this is the PM session low, and this is the Asia low. On RTH chart, okay, this low, and this is the, but still, yeah, let's mark the premium and discount. This is the first discount low for the liquidity. If price is aggressive, then we can look for this low also. So this is the sell side liquidity. uh, it is not a session liquidity. I will mark this as a buy side liquidity. Mm, PM session high. Hello, Dino Trader. Hello, what's up? It has not taken out the Asia low yet. It has taken out this buy side liquidity. Mm, let's see, mark this gap. Okay. Mm. We don't have any news on Tuesday. We used to have the NFP on Thursday, but there is no NFP. So we do have SMT. Okay, price is going to go for this low. I'm targeting this. This will become your order block. This is the liquidity I'm looking for. PM session low. My sound is coming properly, right? Yeah, thank you very much. Uh, let's see this inverse FEG. This will go as an inverse, and then yeah, it is already going this low. 25,821. Oh, price is so aggressive right now. I was not expecting this, but yeah. If anyone has took the trade, you can tell me. You can write GG in the chat. Hi. Hi, Akash. It's happening in 5 minutes. Thank you very much, Akash. We can rebalance to this fair value gap. Okay. And this is also 15-minute IFG. On a 5 minute, let me check it. Is there is an okay? We do have a fair value gap, and we have completely inverse. This one. So if we close the body, this will become a order block. Okay. If someone has shorted from this level only, they shall only put some risk because the target is really near. You hardly have a 38 points. Okay, price is going to take this low. Why I mark this FEG? Because why I did not mark this FEG? Because if you check the ES, we have taken a this fair value gap, right? So this is the PDRA SMD. You have to spot this in real time. Okay, this was the final target for today. Okay, and this is the extended targets or this fair value gaps. I think money mind you got your 35 points. If you check from this order block to this low, it was 38 points. Mm, yeah. Once the price has taken out the major liquidity, then it can pause or it can do consolidation, or it can, if the market is so heavy right now, what I can see, it can directly goes to the this low also because if you check, this is the premium and discount, this sell side liquidity, okay, this big sell side liquidity, I think price should rebalance. And also on a 1 hour we do have a fair value gap, also this is the 4 hour fair value gap. On RTH chart, we have taken out the major liquidity. First, we did a manipulation to the upper side, so that's why I was not expecting any kind of manipulation. Also, we was having a SMT, and this was the nearest target. I draw this session liquidity beforehand. Hi, Adi. Hi. Hi. Once you start saying something like we are closing to this like this, then what is most of the time it is going to go for bearish only. Hello, MV trades. What's up? And we also failed this fair value gap, and the ES Nasdaq was weak as compared to ES. Yeah. Let's mark the previous day. Price can reach to the 75% also, and we are near to the this gap. Yeah, and we also flip this this fair value gap also. I think if we close the body below this fair value gap, then thank you, Sanjay, if I have ever helped you. Thank you very much, bro. It really helped me to do this live. I'm trying my best, by the way. I can't explain everything in a one single live, as you know, but you at least know which level I'm looking for, which lows and highs I'm looking for, or in real time. I'm not using any fancy concept like first presented fair value gaps or any other thing where you are going to get confused. Hello, Nick. I'm not Nick. Thank you very much, Money Mind. I'm expecting this gap on a 5 minute as a breakaway gap, so we shall not rebalance this gap. Okay, so I will mark this as a breakaway gap. Okay, and if price is coming for this high, what we can see, we can look for some kind of, if price is doing some kind of retracement. Okay, now, okay, so it is going for this low and this low. Yeah, you need to do a practice every single day. Then only it will be easy for you guys. Look, I'm not catching the big RRs nowadays. Okay, I catch to the 2 hour or 1.5 hour. My this trade, okay, this was the aggressive trade. Okay, I jump on this trade, and I only call this level. So it is the 1.9 RR trade. So you need to understand. And even I said in a live that this order block will become the this upload candle will become a order block once we close the body. If you see the reaction, see, and this is the confirmation in a price action where you're going to get, okay, ES has not taken this fair ES has taken this fair value gap, and we are making the order block. Once you have SMT with a order block in a continuation model, this is how you have to frame your idea. And the premium and discount price is always going to offer you a fair valuation. Where is the fair valuation? At the 50%. So this is the 50%, right? Once you have a 15-minute fair value gap, what you can do, go for a 5 minute, and now you have a two fair value gap. This is the discount fair value gap. This is how I do a refinement. This is where price can come to this low, this level. See, now ES is start moving at a 75% level. We do have this fair value gap. So which is the nearest target you are going to look for? This low. This is the this is the normal liquidity. You can also look for a 930 low. It will be below, but yeah. On RTH chart, this is the minor sell side liquidity. On daily, I will also, okay, on ES, okay, if you check, we have taken out this buy side liquidity, and we traded to the rejection block, and ES has taken out the PM session low. Yeah. This low, I think we should take out. Okay, this is the extended target. Never forget about this thing. We'll mark this as an inverse FVG. This is the IFVG on 15-minute. This is the order block. Okay, if price is doing some kind of deep retracement, it should be, if we are not getting reaction, then we will stop looking. We will wait for the more information. By the way, did you catch anything today? This I will look for this as a premium and discount for now. Yeah. Mm, 40. Let's wait for a 10 o'clock price action. Okay, we are getting the reaction. We do have this inverse FVG, so we are getting reaction from this IFVG. This is the nearest drawn liquidity. I think price can go to this fair value gap and this FVG, this discount FVG also. This is the 50%, 25,000. We are near to the 50 level, right? So 25,700. This is the big figure. This is the big figure. Once we do have a body closure on this 5 minute auto block, we can look for these fair value gaps. Mm, because right now we are into this FUG, IFUG. This is the bearish, bullish fair value gap. This was the bearish fair value gap. I don't like to catch the bottom and top. On 5 minute, we simply rebalance. On a 1 minute, we simply rebalance to the short term dealing range to the premium. This is the 15 minute, and this was the key level on a 15 minute IFVG. This is the nearest fair value gap. This is the sell side liquidity, the minor sell side liquidity, not the major one. We will hit this fair value gap, the discount fair value gap. Check it. And inside the this fair value gap, we have to rebalance this 5 minute fair value gap. Okay, this one. This is how you have to look for. Don't have to look for the random highs and lows. We tap to the big figure. See, to the pip. I took a small trade again on this FCG. Made like nearly $700. Check out. If anyone has took any trade, you can say the GG in a chat. I don't like to speak too much because I have to check what the price action is doing, where the market is going, and everything. And this is all the failure swings. Once we flip this, then we can also look for this target. Okay, we tap to the 5 minute FEG. This is the discount fair value gap. Okay, this is the premium fair value gap. This is the discount fair value gap in terms of dealing range. 50% is, this is the 50% where the equilibrium is of the current dealing range. I will mark this current dealing range 50%. So you guys will not get confused where we are right now, because in ICT concept there are lots of things and you have to remember what is happening, right? Okay, so what is the signature in a in terms of price? Whenever you are looking for the bearish price action, see the bullish PDRs are failing. This is the 5 minute of fair value gap. This is the yeah, if you see, we did not even respect it for a 1 second. It directly break, and now what can happen? It can rebalance to this 5 minute inverse FPG, and we can go for this low, or it we will directly continue the rally because we are heavy right now. This was the immediate rebalance. If you guys don't know, by the way, 28 people are watching the live stream. You have to do the you have to hit the like button right now. Hit the like button, guys. Thank you very much. Was the technique ready? We tap to the 50% of 15-minute fair value gap. Yeah, we tap to the 50% of the fair value gap. This was the thank you, bye. This is how ICT teach us. Like this is the premium in a PDRs also. This is the discount. Whenever you have a big fair value gaps, you can look for like this. Shutdown about the USA. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know, bro. What is happening? I did not check the news. Can you please tell me? I really don't know what is happening. What is happening in USA? Only the Epstein file is going on. We rebalance to the 50% of dealing range, guys. And now, what I think, because the rally I'm seeing right now, that okay, the Tuesday has made the high of the day, high of the week, okay, and we are going to take this all the lows, okay. I'm not buying anything like okay we have made the low, because if I check the daily, this is all the slow resistance liquidity run, right? I literally explain you my bias and everything before going for a bearish, so you have to make a narrative. Because we are really heavy right now, and let me mark the PM session low also, okay, because we are near to the this low, and I will like to mark the 3 days look back, this sell side liquidity, and this is the Friday. We are on a Tuesday, Monday, Friday. So this is the lowest low for the 3 days look back. This is the extended liquidity, but it is near to the, if you check, this is the equal lows, right? So we can take out this low also. So we do have two more liquidities, and this is the important liquidities you have to look for. I have finished the business already. Mm, because I have took a trade, two trades I have took, and then for the game. Thank you very much, Akash. So you don't have to hold any price because okay, if you check the daily, this is the previous uh big fan. I got a good profit. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Hello DNA Thames. Hello. How are you? We have tapped to the 50%, so you don't have to hold any trade right now. We can because we can do the deep retracement. We can because we already tapped to the 50% of this fair value gap. We also traded to the discount fair value gap on a 5 minute. And what we can what right now what can happen, we can rebalance to this fair value gap and we can distribution to the downside. But yeah, you don't have to hold any trades. But yeah, GG. This is all the failure swing. So because on a Monday, if you check the Monday has made a low on a 1.35. Because look, whenever the 9:30 to 10 o'clock have a big distribution, after that, after 10 o'clock to 10:30 is going to be a consolidation or a big retracement, or it also can be a reversal, because this is where the 4 hour new candle is going to start. Check it. We rebalance to the 50%. We already took a trade. We already traded this candle. Okay, we was having a SMT with ES. If you check the ES, let me share the chart. Okay, if you check the ES, we the price has having a SMT. Nasdaq has not taken this high, and ES has taken out. And we also inside the fair value gap. When you have a two fair value gaps, then you have to focus on this one. Most likely it is going to tap this low, and this is what ES has done. ES was low as compared to NAS, so you need to wait for the more information to look for the sell side. On a 1 hour, uh, if you ask me, I'm bearish if I look for the daily, but I don't know that we are going to go for this low today only, because we already distributed from this low to this high almost 400 points. So I don't expect any more distribution to the downside. We can trade to the, because we are already trading into the end dock. This was the current week new week opening gap. After taking a sell side to sell side liquidity, this was the major sell side liquidity, and this was a minor sell side liquidity, random highs and lows inside the fair value gap. Yeah, and look for this order block as a target if price is flipping this fair value gap also, or this inverse FEG. This can act as a reaper also. This is where you have to book the profits in discount PDRAs. You have to look for, okay, in a PDRA matrix, which is the breaker, because the breaker is the first PDRA. It is going to come in a hierarchy. We have taken a sell side liquidity again. This was the 10 o'clock. Yeah. 5 minute. We're going to take this lows. I'm so positive about this lows, because this is the last 3 days look back low. This low at least. Only this one. 25,540. Hey Fortune, what's up? Yeah, I took a sell. I took a sell from here and also from here and booked around here. This second trade. First trade was till PM session levels only. And right now, I'm not doing anything. Hey, Sujay, what's up? I hope everyone has taken a profit today. And if anyone is buying any account, you can use the perk. The Lucid is offering a really great offer right now. If you have not buy any account from a Lucid, you can get an account for $65. Yeah, I took two trades. This one, the first one, and the second was this because we tapped to the inverse FEG on 15 minute, and I will show you the 15 minute inverse FEG. This one, this was the premium in IFEG. We tap it, yeah, and look for this fair value gap on a 5 minute. No, this is what I said you like you have to look for the 9:30 to 10 o'clock. If price has done a big range, what we can expect in terms of price action, it is going to do a chop or it will do the retracement. You don't have to hold any trades right now. This is where you have to book your profits if someone is shorting from here or from here. This is not a you don't have to hope like okay price will go down and we will book on this low only. That's why you have to short in premium and long in discount. If you have shorted in premium, then you have to book your profits in discount. Price will do the zigzag. It can create a low, another low, and another low. And if you check the 15 minute, okay, uh, this is the really famous pattern about the one drive, second two drive, and the three drive. That's why I don't want it to price to take this high because this high was also created in London. Uh, on whenever the highs and lows has created in a session, then only I trust. Otherwise, I don't trust on random highs and lows like this one. I don't trust because in my back testing, this kind of highs and lows are not holding for a longer period of time. Yeah, 25,850 high. Let me check it. 25,000. Okay. Yeah, I wanted to like I was already into the trade. That's why I was not worried about this thing. But I call this order block. I told the once price has closed this close after the order block. Okay, this green candle. This green candle will become an order block. This low, and you can see whenever the order block has the big wick, you have to consider the wick. If the body is small, and you can consider you can ignore the body and you can look for this low. Yeah, and this was a proportional block. And if you check the price action has come to the premium offer the fair valuation and goes to the distribution again. Okay, we tap to the PM AM session low. Okay, I'm not going to call any levels right now. Not going to call any levels. If you like my live stream, please hit the like button, and thank you very much for joining this live stream. Bye bye, guys. Have a nice day.